What is the best and easy to prepare for lunch while boondocking with a magnificent view of the Pacific Ocean? None other than my favorites, scallops and shrimps with couscous and tomato on the side, plus mango for dessert. Yummy! Welcome to Pacific Grove, California, our favorite place to hang out. Why is it? Well, I was enchanted with the untiring and never-ending view of the Pacific Ocean. I fell in love with this place right on the very first time I visited Monterey County. It was 27 years ago when my husband, then my boyfriend, took me for our very first date. Because the place is so romantic, our wedding was celebrated in this place 26 years ago. Since then, we've been coming back almost every month to spend our weekend here in Monterey Bay. The commute is only an hour and a half from where we live, so we can go back and forth to spend the day. Pacific Grove is a coastal city in Monterey County, California, here in the United States. Based on the 2010 United States Census, the population is 15,041. Pacific Grove is located between Point Pinos and Monterey. Pacific Grove has numerous Victorian-era houses, some of which have been turned into bed and breakfast inns. One of our dreams is to acquire a property closer to the ocean and to stay here for our retirement. However, the properties are so expensive. So for now, let's just enjoy the untiring view of the Pacific Ocean and the relaxing ambience of the place. And please join me in my cooking while boondocking by the Pacific Ocean. But first off, let's park on this side and take a stroll. Just so you know, I am currently taking a break from our regular Season 1 Lucban Cuisine video, and we will be back next week for our Episode 11 of Lucban Cuisine. I hope you will enjoy and learn somehow from this video. It is a combination of cooking, travel, and camping. So enjoy! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make simple lunch while boondocking. We parked here in front of the ocean and our instant kitchen has been set up at the back of my van. So let's start! What we're going to cook today is I already prepared, and this is our scallops. Since we're here in the Monterey, we usually come here to eat scallops. So along with the scallops, what we're going to do is this couscous. Couscous is a pasta, but we alternate this for rice. And this is one of my favorites. Already marinated both scallops and both shrimps. I'm gonna cook the scallop first before the shrimp so it won't contaminate. The problem right now, guys, is we forgot to bring our cooking oil. So let's see what we have. So that's why we call it camping. Okay, so again, let's start with the couscous first. Now I need a 1.5 cup of water. So that is not enough, so I'm going to add more. Almost 2 cups of water. So I'm gonna add more, and I can add that more later. 1¾ cups water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which we did not bring, and let's see what's gonna happen if we have no oil. And pearled couscous bring to a boil. Okay, so let's do that. Now the couscous is boiling. Let's take a look. And they looks good. Let's mix it. Since we forgot to bring our EVOO for frying, I'm using water instead. We have to use what we have since we are boondocking anyway. Now let's turn the scallops over and wait for another 3 minutes. Let's turn the heat down for our couscous and let it simmer for another 3 minutes. For the people who just joined us, welcome. We are here in Forlit Sky and we are cooking. And you know, we are outside, we're not home. We're here in Monterey Bay Peninsula or Monterey Bay because we're tired of staying home and we want to go outside and breathe some fresh air. So we decided to come here. And usually when we didn't have a COVID or before COVID, we usually come here and eat in our one of our favorite restaurants, and we always order the scallops, seafood, and because the seafood here is so good. So because we are still not comfortable going to the restaurant, so we bring this scallop for us to cook. I am having so much fun cooking here and using our instant kitchen at the back of my van. I love my van. It's so functional and versatile. While scallop is cooking, we usually eat this with tomatoes. So this kamatis is already washed, cross-cut. Okay, like this. See, like that. There's just 4 of those cross-cut it. Okay, then just put it here together. This one is already dry, no more sauce. So what I can do after that is the instructions is to put the spices. This is spice packet right now, not the whole packet of course, but the spices inside. Now that the spice mix are poured, then let's stir the couscous like so. Put the lid back and simmer for another 2 minutes. Let's crisscross cut the other side of tomato, then let's cook it for another 2 minutes, and that's it. Look at the view, hon. No more fog, right? It is beautifully stunning. So now we're enjoying here. We're gonna be here the whole day today. We're probably gonna be leaving at about 3 o'clock. We're done. I can't wait. Just the aroma of my cooking, I'm getting hungry. Let's put the scallops inside the pot to rest while the shrimps and tomato are being cooked. Now here is our 4 pieces of shrimps. I marinated this already with just salt and pepper. I did it at home before driving here. Now put them on the pan and cook them for 1 minute on each side. After a minute, flip them over and wait for another minute. Occasionally remove from the heat and shake the pan like so. See that kitchen at the back of my van with this very beautiful view. Can you see that? How relaxing it is, right? This is what it looks like for the couscous. Okay, it is so good. This is one of my favorites. Lagi na lamang one of my favorites. Basically everything is my favorite, but seriously, this is so good. Now let's put them on the plate. Look at this beauty. And that's it. So we cook this and we cook this. Okay, I will plate it and then go to our tasting session. And for sure this is so good because I already cooked this before. I just want to share it to you. I just want to share it to you guys. Okay, there you have it, guys. We finished our couscous and scallops, and here's my plates. I put them into plates already, and we are ready to tasting session. Here's my plates. Here's Floyd's plate, almost done, and that's Ferdinand's plate with a couscous, and here's Mingo along with that. Okay, let's take a picture and ready. So now that we're done cooking, and here you go. So we're gonna go to our tasting session. So let's try it.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Let's try one subo or one scoop. scallops and couscous. My favorite. Then we'll put some tomato and couscous. It is so good.
Yummy.
Yummy. Bon appetit! Kain po tayo. While we're eating, this is the view that you are going to get. How cool is that?